Hello and welcome back to Engines of Iowa Interstate. Today we'll be talking about Iowa Interstate switchers. Iowa Interstate has obtained 2 switchers since the birth of Iowa Interstate. They are 162 and 250. .162 is an SW9 and 250 is an SW1200. .162 was an ex-Missouri Pacific. .162 was an operation of the early days of Iowa Interstate, but was swapped down in 1989 for 250. 250 was also an ex-Missouri Pacific. 250 was an operation from 1989 to 2007 when the GEVOs and GP38-2s arrived, which we have not covered yet. Also, update on the SC38-2s. It is not certain if the SC38-2s are coming out of storage, and I might have to update the video. They might sell them, they might scrap them, or they might just keep them around. Well, thank you for watching the Switcher episode, and like always, thank you to Iowa Interstate Rail Fan Guide, as they are the reasons why I can get these photos.